that baby on turbo. Okay, now you see how we stand our trusses with a lift. 25 or under, I'll do it with my scissor lift as long as it's the wide one. As you see, I didn't use a small one, it's too small. Anything over 25 feet, you better get a extended boom forklift. We usually use that telehandler. We use that a lot, but this is 25 foot, so it's not that bad. So it is important if you put your legs on your trusses, it's safer, it makes it easier. Your guys stand on the ground, one in the lift. What was it, 15 minutes, we were completely stood up. The last truss we pinned against that truss because of the gable is higher. So we needed that distance to set the gable. Then once the gable is set, now we have that distance for our lift to sit between them. Now we can just go get that one, drag it over and slide it in there and you're done. Now it's plumbing line time. That's all she wrote.